Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can add sound effects, some meme sound effects to your videos using CapCut. So it's really simple. So first you wanna record your video. Once you're done recording to your video, you wanna search the sound effect, any sound effect you want, like meme sound effect, Vine boom, oh, ah. Yeah, something, any sound effect. Click on the sound effect, and then you want to record it. Record it. You want to just record it. You want to like do it like this. You want to like this. Pause it. Record it. Go to OSB and record it. Once you start recording, click and then wait for it to finish and then stop recording. Once you've done that, leave Microsoft Edge. Uh, Leave Microsoft Edge. Leave it. And go to CapCut. Click CapCut and click Create Project here. And I am doing this on PC. It is available on any device. And then, of course, you want to add your video. Add your video. And then, once you put your video here, drag your video here, you wanna go to audio and click yours, and you will need the CapCut Pro for this, and you want it to say extract audio. You want to import, and the recordings of the sound effect will be there, like this one, the recording of the sound effect. And don't worry, if it's actually showing a picture, it will not show the picture, just the sound. So you wanna import it just like this. I'm just gonna do a random one like this, open, and then you will see the plus sign, and then you can shrink it, make it longer and put it anywhere you want. It's that simple. You don't need TikTok, you don't need YouTube Premium. It's really simple.